Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring your iPhone is unlocked and on the same Wi-Fi network as any device that might mirror images. This prevents surprises. Once done, open Settings and jump straight to Photos. You need the Shared Options section to control automatic sharing. Make sure to also check Settings, General AirPlay and Handoff or Screen Mirroring. These are the controls that enable or disable image mirroring. Act now so you can change the actual behaviors in the next step. Now you'll change the settings that cause photos to appear elsewhere. In Photos Shared Options, turn off Shared Albums or the Automatic AirPlay permission. That stops photos from being pushed. Next, go to AirPlay and Handoff and toggle off Handoff and Automatic Screen Mirroring so your iPhone won't hand images to nearby devices. If another device is still showing pictures, sign out of your Apple ID or iCloud photos on that device to break the sync. These steps modify both permission and account. Finish by restarting both your iPhone and any device that had been mirroring so settings fully apply. Restarts resolve lingering connections. Once restarted, open Photos and test. You should no longer see images appearing on the other screen. If mirroring continues, reset network settings to clear cached AirPlay routes, or sign out and back into iCloud to force a permissions refresh. One quick troubleshooting tip: temporarily enable airplane mode, then disable it to nudge wireless services if the change doesn't take immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.